Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, if you are exploring new decentralized platform with full transparency and verified smart contracts, then today's feature is something you should definitely check out. We are diving into Synergy Smart, a newly launched investment platform built on the BNB Smart Chain, offering structured yield plans, a secure environment, and a smart referral system. Let's explore everything you need to know about this promising project. So dear viewers, keep it in mind. This video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Here, first of all, we will discover what is Synergy Smart built on the BNB chain. Synergy Smart is the power of blockchain at the service of your growth. And here you can also check out it's a next generation financial ecosystem, benefit from a robust infrastructure with high security standards, innovative yield strategies, and financial solutions built for the markets of tomorrow. Synergy Smart is a decentralized investment platform designed to simplify crypto-based earning through automated yield plans. Operating on the BNB Smart Chain, the platform empowers users to invest USDT BEP20 in time-based plans while also benefiting from a scalable 5-level referral system. So here you can also check its referral program and its BSC network. You can also check and its ROI based investment plans, and here you can check its investment plans. So dear viewers, here what makes the platform stand out: its attractive net returns, capital included in total received 7-day 14%, and that is equal to net 114%. Here you can also check secure digital identity, growth and rewards, personalized asset management, and you can also create a new repository. Here you can also check daily 5.20%, weekly 36.40%, monthly 156.0%, and the total 156.0%. and here you can also check your ambassador pack. Here you can also check investment total, pending earnings, total withdrawals, and referral earning. So you can also visit the dashboard. So here you can see the 7-day plan, 15-day plan, 30 days plan, 365-day plan. So here we will discuss one by one. 7-day plan will give you 14% net and 114% total. 15-day plan will give you 37.5% net and 137.5% total, and the 30 days plan will give you 56% net and 156% total. 365 days plan will give you 305.15% and net 405.15%. and the deposit flexibility is amazing. 7-day and 15-day plans allow new deposits every 24 hours, and the 30-day plans allow new deposits every 5 days. Annual plan supports monthly withdrawals. So here you can also check its standard referral system. Level 1 is 5%, level 2 is 3%, level 3 is giving to 2%, level 4 is giving 1%, and level 5 is 0.5%. And here is the withdrawal section. So short-term plans allow fast access, long-term plans provide spaced out withdrawals for stability, secure and transparent. So built in a smart contract with anti-reentrancy protection, fully visible on the chain via BSCS scan contract address. Here you can also check that it's fully secure and transparent. So dear viewers, Synergy Smart is fully secure and transparent, built on a smart contract with anti-reentrancy protection, fully visible on the chain via BSCS scan. You can check out the details. Here all the details have been provided. And here is the ambassador pack bonus. Boost your referral commission by purchasing a pack between 200 to 1000 USDT, unlocking high rates for several months. And the next announcement, it is about security and transparency. We are proud to announce that our smart contract received a great score on DeFi Scanner. This confirms that our project meets high security standards with no hidden functions or critical vulnerabilities. It's another step forward for trust, transparency, and strength of our ecosystem. The platform has been fully audited by Has Crypto, which found no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, no scam scripts. Full audit report is provided on Has Crypto. You can find out this audit report. So the next segment is how to get started. Joining Synergy Smart is simple. Connect your BNB chain compatible wallet. Here you can see that I have connected my wallet, and then you will have to select an investment plan and deposit USDT BEP20, and then you will have to share your referral link and earn commissions. Monitor and withdraw your earnings directly from your wallet, and the project launch date is August 1st, 2025. Join the Telegram community. So remember the date. The project launching date is August 2025. And here is the Telegram community of the Synergy Smart. I would like to request all my viewers to join this community to get latest updates and announcements about the Synergy Smart. So dear viewers, Synergy Smart is an amazing project, and it presents a user-friendly and secure way to explore decentralized investment with a variety of yield plans and advanced referral system and fully verified smart contract audits. It offers a solid framework for those looking to participate in the BNB ecosystem with transparency and flexibility. So if you are ready to explore it, head to the official website and get started with just a few simple steps. You will find all the relevant links conveniently located in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and NFT projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.